Hey, what's up guys? John from Linkswell here, and I got a question for you. I am looking to see what 2-minute how-to video tutorials you're looking for. Justin has Art up to speed, so big shout out to Justin and Art. They've been able to take over so much of the tech support that it's freed me up a ton, which means now I have the opportunity to sit down and start making some videos so we can get some 2-minute how-tos out there. But I need to know what 2-minute how-tos you guys are looking for. So what features in the radio would you like to know more about? Maybe from us, maybe it's about changing the launcher, maybe it's about rerouting what video app opens when you hit video, maybe you have questions about CarPlay, how to make CarPlay work, or maybe you've got questions more on the install side, like how do I make my 360 camera work, or how do I set the HVAC for this, or what is this vehicle icon and what are these settings. Maybe it's troubleshooting, how things plug in, like whatever the 2-minute how-to is going to be the most useful for you guys. That's what I'm looking for. So if you can just put those in the comments, say, hey man, I really wish you would make a tutorial about how to do this, or I'd love to know how to make this function or that function. Like whatever these 2-minute how-tos are that you're looking for, if you just put those in the comments down below, I'll start putting those all together. And again, big shout out to Art and Justin because they are handling business down there on the tech calls, which frees me up, which means I can make them. So I'm gonna go ahead and get cracking on those. So in the comments, tell me what you're looking for. I'll start making them, and we'll see you guys next time.